Kiara, mabuhay!
My name is Bea and this is my husband Ray. I am a New Zealand resident and I'm working here as a restaurant manager in Christchurch City.
Hi, I'm Ray. I'm under the partnership Visitors Visa.
So back in 2018, nag-student pathway ako. I took up level 7 diploma for hospitality management at ARA, Institute of Canterbury.
Then dumating ako last August 8 under partnership Visitor Visa pathway. Then sooner, magla-launch na din kami for partnership working visa.
Back in 2017, we attended a study expo. I think it was in SM Aura.
SM Aura.
Yeah. Tapos doon namin nalaman about all the options na for study dito sa New Zealand. So I continued that pathway. It was facilitated by Sir Joel Angon and Miss Diana. Doon ko siya na-meet, si Miss Diana Carlos. And then from then on, parang September yata yun, and then February 2018, dumating ako dito. Then yung husband ko naman, silang dalawa rin yung nag-facilitate ng visitor visa or partnership pathway para sa husband ko, kay Ray.
Well, for me, kasi I'm a kitchen manager when I was in the Philippines. So pagdating ko rito, ang daming opportunity as a chef dito. So I'm excited na magkaroon ako ng partnership working visa para ma-explore ko pa lalo and mapaganda ko pa yung mga skills ko yung sa pagiging chef.
Yeah, sa akin naman, since nasa food industry din ako sa Philippines, ito kami nagkakilala actually. Parang mas masaya dito or mas tahimik din dito ang food industry. Hindi siya masyadong stressful, hindi siya masyadong nakapagod.
Yeah.
So very laid back lang din talaga sila. Lahat sila mababait, lahat ng customers makaka-interact mababait. So nakakakalma, to be honest.
And it's family oriented.
Yeah, very safe for our mental health talaga dito sa New Zealand.
Happy 20th anniversary GSIC! And more anniversary to come. And congratulations. And sana marami pa kayo Pilipinong matulungan na mapapunta dito sa New Zealand. Maraming salamat. Congratulations.
God bless po.